Hello, my name is Rosalind Allman, and I'm a reference librarian at the National Transportation Library. I will be demonstrating some of the practice questions we created for the TranStats training video linked in the description box for this video. I recommend watching that training before you proceed to the demo. The website for the practice questions is www.transtats.bts.gov. That's transtats.bts.gov. Question number 1. How many domestic flights departed LaGuardia Airport in 2023? Hint, use the T-100 domestic segment all carriers file. Click on Aviation under Data Finder by Mode. Then click on Air Carrier Statistics, Form 41 Traffic, all carriers. Then click T-100 Domestic Segment, all carriers. Next, click Analysis next to the field Departures Performed. Next, set filter categories to origin and set filter years to 2023 and recalculate. Next, we want to search the results on the left side for LaGuardia Airport. Now you can see we have one row for LaGuardia and then we have the total. And the number of departures performed is 162,667. Question number 2. How does this number compare to the previous years? Is it up or down? To find that, we're going to go to Time Series under Analysis Type on the left side. Here you can see 6 years, or you can scroll back and see more years. Here we have just the origin airport, and they're the years. So we're going to do the search again for LaGuardia. And there we have it. So we want to be able to analyze the results. So we're going to click on Download Results. Okay, you can see we have LaGuardia and all rows. Since we don't need all rows, we're going to delete that. Now we need to sort by sum. And you can see that the year with the most departures was 2006. 2023 is down here in 15th place. Now we're going to go back to the TranStats homepage for question number 3. Question number 3. Which month of 2023 had the highest volume of domestic scheduled service passengers transported? Hint, use the T-100 domestic segment US carriers file. Click Aviation, then Air Carrier Statistics, Form 41 Traffic, all carriers. Then T-100 domestic segment, all carriers. Click Analysis next to Passengers Transported. Next, we want to click Crosstabs under Analysis Type. At this point, we want to set Filter Rows to Month, and we want to set Filter Columns to Class. Then we want to set Filter Years to 2023, and then we're going to click the Recalculate button. By putting our mouse over the code here, you can see that these are the months. These are the service classes. And in this case, we want F, which is scheduled passenger with cargo service. To find the month with the largest number, we can just scan in this case, and we can see that it is July, as is usually the case. Now we're going to go back to TranStats homepage for the next question. Question 4. How many scheduled service passengers were enplaned for each international route for American Airlines in December of 2023? Hint, use the T-100 International Market U.S. Carriers file. So again, we're going to click Aviation, and then Air Carrier Statistics, Form 41 Traffic, U.S. Carriers. And then T-100 International Market. In this case, we're going to click Download because we want more than just a couple of variables. We're going to set filter year to 2023, filter months to December, and we're going to select the fields passengers, unique carrier name, origin, and origin city name, destination city name. We're going to deselect month because we're only downloading 1 month, and we're going to select service class. Let me scroll back to the top, and we click Download. Now we're going to open the file. Now we want to sort and filter. First of all, we're going to filter for service class, and we want class F, which is passenger cargo service. Next, we're going to filter for carrier American Airlines. Now we want to sort. So we'll go to custom sort. We want to sort by passengers, largest to smallest, then by origin, and by destination. So now we can see that the busiest route is Dallas-Fort Worth to Cancun, Mexico, followed by Cancun back to Dallas. Now we're going to go back to the TranStats homepage for the next question. Question number 5. I want to go somewhere warm in January. Where could I have gotten a nonstop flight to the Caribbean, Central America, or Mexico from a DC or Baltimore airport in January of 2024? It must be scheduled service, no charters. Hint, use the T-100 International Segment, All Carriers file. So we'll click Aviation, then Air Carrier Statistics, Form 41 Traffic, All Carriers. Then we're going to download the T-100 International Segment. We're going to select January. Then we want to select the fields that we want to download. In this case, we want departures performed or flights. We want unique carrier and unique carrier name, origin city name, destination and destination city name. And we also want to add destination world area code. And class. Just a word about world area code. We're going to sample what you get when you click on Get Lookup Table. In this case, the world area codes is a different number for each US state and territory and each foreign country, and the countries are grouped together by region. In this case, so we have all the US states and possessions. Then in the 100s, we have Central America and Mexico. The 200s, we have the Caribbean. So the categories that we wanted are between 100 and 300. So going back to TranStats, we've selected all the fields that we want. Now we're going to go back up and click Download. Right, now we need to sort and filter. We're going to filter by service class. We're going to remove the zeros under departures. We said we just wanted DC area airports. So that's going to give us BWI, DCA, and IAD. Now at this point, we want to filter for the world area code of the destination. So we're going to go to DestWAC, world area code. We're going to, under number filters, we're going to select between for a range. We're going to say between 100 and 299. Now we have just Central America, Mexico, and the Caribbean. At this point, we can do our sort. I want to sort by origin, then destination. And now we can see all the possible destinations grouped together. And these are all nonstop flights to warm places in January. This is the end of the TranStats practice questions. Thank you for following along. As always, you can find assistance and FAQs on airline data and TranStats by going to ntl.bts.gov and clicking Ask a Librarian.